Now we discuss classification of crystalline solid on the basis of binding force. Crystalline solids are classified into four categories. That is, number one, ionic solids. Number two, covalent or network solid. Number three, metallic solid. And fourth one, molecular solid. Molecular solid is further classified into three categories: non-polar, polar, and hydrogen bonded. At first, we study ionic solids. Solids in which particles are held together by ionic bonds are called ionic solids. Here we compare all these four solids one by one. Very first, ionic solids. Constant particles are ions, while in covalent or network solid, constant particles are atoms. In metallic solid, constituent particles are positive ions in a sea of delocalized electrons. Molecular solid is further divided into three parts. Number one, non-polar, polar, and hydrogen bonded. In non-polar molecular solid, constituent particles are molecules. In polar molecular solid, constituent particles are also molecules. And in hydrogen bonded molecular solid, constituent particles is also molecules. Attractive force. Electrostatics force of attraction are present between particles. Here covalent bonds are present between particles. Metallic bonds are present between particles. Here non-polar molecular solid, dispersion force are responsible, while in polar molecular solid, dipole interaction is responsible as the attractive force, and hydrogen bonded solid, hydrogen bonding act as the attractive force. Point of conclusion number third, physical nature. Ionic solids are hard and brittle. Covalent solids are hard, except graphite. Graphite is soft. Metallic solids hard but malleable and ductile. Molecular solids non-polar, soft. Polar is also soft, but hydrogen bonded molecular solids are hard. Fourth one, electrical conductivity. Insulator in solid state, but conductor in molten state and in aqueous solution. They are bad conductor in solid state, but in molten state or in aqueous solution, they behave like a conductor. Covalent solids, insulator. Exceptional is graphite. Graphite is a good conductor. Metallic solids, conductor in solid state as well in molten state. While molecular solids, all these three types, non-polar, polar, and hydrogen bonded, are insulator or bad conductor. Fifth one, melting point, high, uchalo uchi percent. Covalent, very high. Metallic solids, fairly high. Non-polar metallic solid, very low. Polar, low. Hydrogen bonded, low. Examples: sodium chloride, magnesium oxide, zinc sulfide, calcium fluoride. While the example of covalent or network solids are SiO2, quartz, Si, silicon carbide, carborundum, Al, aluminum nitride, diamond, graphite. While the examples of metallic solids are All metals like Fe, Cu, Ag, Mg, Au, etc. and alloys जितनी मिश्र धातु वो भी. Example of non-polar molecular solid: argon, inert gases argon, CCl4, H2, I2, CO2. Polar: HCl, SO2, NH3. While the examples of hydrogen bonded solids are H2O, water means ice. That's all.